Welcome to part 69 of Learn Languages. Today we're talking about obligation. How do you say something is required or not required? English has several ways to express this. Let's start with the strongest. Must. Must expresses very strong obligation. You must show your passport at the border. You must not smoke in this building. Must often comes from a rule, a law, or a strong personal feeling. Now let's look at have to. Have to is similar to must, but it's external obligation. I have to wear a uniform at work. My employer requires it. It's not my choice. She has to finish the report by Friday. Use must when you personally feel it's necessary. Use have to when someone else requires it. Now, need to. Need to expresses necessity. Something is important to do. I need to call the doctor today. We need to leave by 8 to catch the train. It's a bit softer than must. Now, should. Should is advice, not obligation. You should drink more water. You shouldn't eat so much sugar. It's recommended, but not required. Now, what if something is not required? You don't have to come. It's not necessary. It's your choice. This is very different from must not. You mustn't enter means it's forbidden. You don't have to enter means you can choose. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.